Parkside was looking to expand, both machinery upgrades and also we're looking for next-gen software, and MiTek fit that bill. So the advantages we get using MiTek is through the design software Sapphire, which gives us a great design on trusses and also the tie-down capabilities. We also used MiTek Services for our estimating, which has really helped us turn around our quote times.
I'm an FAM with MiTek, working closely here with Parkside Frame and Truss Plant. I spend most of my time helping to assist them with utilising the software, enhancing their manufacturing capabilities and automation installations and setup. Anything to do with their materials management, detailing processes and training, to outputs to the shed, the factory and manufacturing. A lot of my time has been spent in setting up new machinery that they've had go in. The link that we have with OptiFlow to Sapphire to the machinery out in the factory has been a big learning experience for me as well as them, but together we've made it work.
MiTek support is the best that we've had in all the years that we've been running. They care for our business and they're looking to help us grow. I think they are the premium nail plate supplier in Australia, and I would recommend for anybody to use their services.